If you just open it please, Chris, just to show people that it's a standard door. Okay. At the bottom of the door, the threshold here we've fitted. You can see there are no obstructions on the threshold, so vehicles can be run over, and it's a strong extrusion, so anything up to the size of a small truck can run over that without doing it any damage. And we have there the StormMeister flood seal on the threshold, and now we're going to close the door. What we do now, we secure the bottom of the door by clipping with these sliding toggles. Now, you just switch on please, Chris, if you just pop out. What we're going to do now, we're going to pump water to the outside of the door. There we go. So if we have a storm or flood raging, okay, just leave that to be filling. If we just have another look on the inside of the door here. You can see there's absolutely nothing coming through. There's a bit more splashing. Have another look on the inside. Completely dry on the inside. The protection can be used not only for flood protection. You can use this where the garage door is down a ramp, and maybe if it just rains heavily you get water coming into the garage. Well, that StormMeister garage flood seal will obviously prevent that happening, or indeed in a hurricane situation. The door secured at the bottom will stop the door from being blown off by the hurricane, and once your garage door blows off, the next thing that blows off is the roof of your house. So clearly this has far more applications than simply as flood protection, but of course it's very effective at flood protection. Keep pumping that in. Just have another look on the inside. Okay. Right, so there we have it. Not only effective flood protection, also protection from storm or hurricane at a fraction of the price of a new door.